Do you remember that can of corn that was oversized that I drank from for one of my 365s? Well, guess what? It's still in my fridge. I don't know what to do with it. Oh, it's so big. And it's gross. It's been open and oh, look at that. It's got crap all over it and it's gloopy. Oh, and it smells bad. That is off. Is corn off? Can corn go off? I think so. Ew, it's got that like gluey, whatever. It's gonna make me sick, isn't it? My stomach's not feeling well today anyway. Alright. Off corn, anyone? Ew. I'm not going to take one, I'm going to take a few because this is how we roll in this blog. Not being wimpy. If I'm going to get sick, I'm going to get sick in a big way. I don't like the sound of that. Okay, well, big is the theme, hence this. God, this is like a, woo! I'm totally going to use this for exercises. Oh, let's just get this over with. Let's just get this over with. They actually don't taste that bad. And they're slimy. They smell bad. And this can looks disgusting. That tastes better than I thought.